Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Capcut on PC step by step. Adding text to your videos is a great way to create titles, captions, subtitles, and engaging on-screen messages. So let's get started. First, open Capcut on your PC and open the project you want to edit. If you haven't created a project yet, click on New Project and import your video files. Next, drag your video onto the timeline if it isn't already there. Now look at the toolbar at the top of the screen and click on Text. Once you click on Text, you'll see several options, including Add Text, Text Templates, and Auto Captions. To add basic text, click on Add Text and then select Default Text. A new text layer will automatically appear on both the preview window and the timeline. Double-click the text box in the preview window or use the text editor panel on the right side to type your desired text. For example, you can add a title, a name, or any message you want to display in your video. After entering your text, you can customize its appearance. You can change the font style, font size, color, alignment, and spacing using the editing options on the right panel. You can also add effects such as shadows, outlines, backgrounds, and animations to make your text more visually appealing. To reposition the text, simply click and drag it anywhere within the preview window. You can also adjust how long the text appears on screen by dragging the edges of the text layer on the timeline. Preview your video to make sure the text appears at the right time and looks the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully added text in Capcut on PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Capcut tutorials and video editing tips. See you in the next video.